This is the latest and greatest mobile mapping system that we now provide. 60-degree Sony system. RTK GPS with IMUs, so they can measure changes in pitch, yaw and roll, acceleration, etc. 360-degree cameras, and on the back here we can mount a LiDAR. So in one pass we can go down a street, a footpath, a path in a riding path or something else, and collect all the assets, information, and to a point we can collect condition. If you were looking at footpath, the images will allow for a certain amount of AI to extract faults in the footpath. It is an amazing system. You can mount it on an electric bike, on a pole. You can put it on the top of a buggy, or you can put it on the roof of a car and go down the road and collect assets. If you're looking at doing your own personalised street view for a council, it would be a highly efficient way to have a current state account of what is in every location. I would welcome calls or inquiries of some people who think they would be interested in either the service having it done for them, or looking at even purchasing such a system.